Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at Binance. This is a complete tutorial on Binance website and most importantly, how to buy your first cryptocurrency on Binance. I'll take you through each of the links on Binance and I'll explain them one after the other in a simple language, in a plain man language, such a way that you can relate to it and can start using Binance to buy and deal in cryptocurrency. Comment when you bought your first cryptocurrency or when you plan to buy your first cryptocurrency in the comment section of this video. And as always, please smash the like button, like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first person to be alerted when I post videos on cryptocurrency. Are you ready? Let's get started. We are here on Binance. You can see the Binance page. You just type Binance on Google. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. So which means that even people that cannot use Coinbase can use Binance because it's available to the whole world and is the largest based on trading volume. We operate the world's biggest Bitcoin exchange and altcoin crypto exchange in the world by volume. They are the largest in the world, which means a lot of people are buying and selling there. There is high liquidity, and I told you that one of the things you look at in picking an exchange is high liquidity and security, and Binance offer both. So you can log in, you can download the app. Each of them have their app. Coinbase have app, Binance have app. Just go to the Play Store or your App Store and type Binance or type Coinbase and download their app. Feed the information and you are good to go. So now we are on Binance page. You can register now if you have not registered before, and it's easy to register. They will ask you your name, your address and basic information like that, and at the end there will be an option for you to fill in your bank details even during the signing up process. So it's simple to register, it's simple to fill in. Just click on register now and the rest is ABC. Before I log in, I want to take you through the home page. So you see we also have market updates here, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, market update here, and several other news that they have. You can see the trending market, how they are performing over the last 24 hours. You can use your phone to scan this and download the app on the Play Store or App Store. If you want to call the customer service, read their blog, be part of the community, or you want a job with them, all of them are available on the homepage. You can register now, you can also trade now. So of course, before you trade, you have to register. What they call trading is whether you're buying or you're selling, they call it trade. So we are here now. Feel free to click on register, fill in your details with your bank statement or your credit card. It's always advisable to use your bank to buy instead of using your credit card because credit card companies charges a higher interest rate compared to buying it with your bank. So it's advisable to buy with your bank account information than your credit card information. So you can put on your debit card too here. All of them is allowed. Let me log in and we start. So I've logged in and there's not really much of a difference between the home page before you log in and after you log in. So let's go through it one by one. So this is Binance. If you click on it, it will bring you to the home page for you to register again if you want to create another account. But for me, I have already registered. Also, it's a demo account, so it's always asking me to fund my account. So if you want to fund your account, click on fund account and you can transfer your fiat currency, your dollar and your pounds into this account for you to buy your first cryptocurrency. It even reminds you, fund your account. So here we can see everything that's available here. We have the exchange, we have the services that it offers to companies, we have the decentralized exchange, the research, academy, which means the training, the tutorials on cryptocurrency, the charity, the labs, the trust wallet, the brokers, the cloud, the launchpad. So everything that they offer are all in here. So that's what this is for. Which one are you interested about? Do you want to learn more about the currency, or you want to talk with a broker, or you want to go for DEX, decentralized exchange? Everything they offer are all available here. Now, if you want to buy your first cryptocurrency, that's the next point. Buy Crypto Usd. If you don't want to buy it in dollars, you can always change it here. You click here to buy it in pound or euro or any currency that you are comfortable with. You can buy it with any currency you are comfortable with. See it. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will leave it as US dollar. So you can use your credit card or your debit card. I've already put my Visa MasterCard, which you are seeing. So I've already put my card. So you too can put any card that you want here. If you want to use P2p trading, which means you want to buy from someone else instead of buying from Binance itself, you want to buy from another person, you can use P2p trading. If you want to buy from third party, like Simplest and Banksa, you can go here for third party. Let's go to credit and debit card because that's what most people will use, and it's very easy to buy using credit and debit card. First thing, of course, you have to input your credit and debit card details. Here, you type the amount of money you want to buy, let's say $100, and it will show you the amount of Bitcoin that you can purchase with it. If you click on continue, then you will buy it. It's as simple as that. It's very easy for you to buy. Also, if you want to sell, you can click here for you to sell. That means if you already bought it. Since you're an investor, you can only sell after you bought. But if you're a trader, you can sell or buy at any time that you like. So that is how to buy your first Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you don't want to buy Bitcoin, click here and change it to any other cryptocurrency you want to buy. See it. These are the available options that you can buy. And remember, I just clicked here. If you want to change it to pounds, click here. And it's simple. So once you are done, click on continue and you'll be ready to get your first cryptocurrency. It's very easy to use. See, buy crypto, USD, you can always change it. So the next one we have is the market. It shows you the performance of cryptocurrencies. Now, spot means you are buying now. If you are looking for zones of cryptocurrency, you can click on zones here. Whether you are interested in DeFi, in innovation, in POS, in Polkadot, in NFT, which zone, which area of cryptocurrency are you interested about? So all of them are listed here. This listing, of course, is based on market cap. We have NFT here, if you want NFT. We have POW, proof of work. We have storage. We have BXC. That based on the zone that you want. If you have any favorite, which I have, you can see my favorite here. And I told you to make favorite is simple. Just click on the star option. If you go to spot market, click on this star here. You can always remove it by clicking on it again. So it's simple to use. And if you want future markets, futures, most people that use futures are traders, not investors, so you can get them here. I'm also a trader. If you want the USDM futures or the Coin M futures, they are here. You want the overview, you want the top movers, all of them are included here for you to use. So that's the market. It shows you the entire market for you to easily go and access it. So to buy Bitcoin from the market, click on spot market. I want BTC market, so I click on Bitcoin. Do I want to trade Ethereum and Bitcoin? I want to trade XRP and Bitcoin. Which one do you want to trade for? If you want to trade from one crypto to another crypto, so you can click here on trade and it will take you to the trading homepage where you can start trading your cryptocurrencies. You can see the performance of Ethereum and Bitcoin. So we are still on the home page and we're taking it step by step. So the next option we have is trade. You can convert it. This is the easiest way to trade. It means you want to convert from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. So instead of going through chart and all those things, just type currency that you want here. I want Bitcoin. How many Bitcoin do I want? I want, let's say 10. Now, it's because I have 0 BTC, so it won't show any number here. If I have BTC on this account, it will have shown me the value in BNB. Then you click on preview conversion and you can start converting. You can see insufficient balance. Please fund your account. It's simple. So this is the value it are giving me if I have some BTC. So if you want to change from Bitcoin to Ethereum or to any other cryptocurrency, it's very easy. Just go to trade and click on convert. Convert from one crypto to another crypto. This is the easiest way. But if you want a more advanced way of doing it that involves chart, you click on classic. If you click on classic, you can do it the same thing on classic, just that it has more tables and things that you need to understand before you can start using this platform very well. We are here now. You can see BTC, USDT 10 times. This 10 times simply stands for the leverage, which means I can buy up to 10 times of my amount. So if I have $1, I can buy something that costs $10. If I have $10, I can buy something that costs up to $100. So 10 times the value. So this is the price which you are seeing here. This is the highest for the day. This is the change for the day, 24 hours. This is the highest for the day. This is the lowest for the day. And this is the volume that has been traded for the day. And the volume for BTC is this. The volume for USDT is here. Here we have the ask and the bid price. The ask price are in red and the bid price are in green. The ask price means what sellers are willing to sell, and the bid price means the prices that buyers are willing to buy for. And the trade happens when a seller and a buyer have the same price, which you can check out using the depth. So if you click on the depth, you can see that buyers are having higher prices than sellers. So you can see it. You can always zoom in and zoom out. The market happens when the buyer and the seller are on the same level. You can use this one to expand the chart for you to see everything the way it happens. So you see the buyers that are going for higher and higher prices, and the sellers are here. So trade occurs when both of them meet, which is here. This chart that I've shown you is the price chart, how the price is moving, and of course it's a candlestick chart. If you want to have a line chart, you click on time, it will become a line chart, but by default it's a candlestick chart. Click on 1 hour, 15 minutes, 4 hours chart. So once you click on the time that you want for each candle, if I click on 15 minutes, each candle will be a 15 minutes bar. If I click on 1 hour, each candle will be an hour bar. So this is 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. If you want it in days, you want it in weeks, all of them are available. If you want other time that's not even here, you can add it by clicking on this point. And if you click here, it will show you the trade that you have. If you click it again, it will remove the trade that you have. It displays open trade that you have on your chart. Now, this one is for trading view. You can use the original Binance setting and page, their price chart. This is the original Binance chart. This one was imported from TradingView. TradingView is one of the most popular trading chart platforms. So depth, I've shown you depth. You can expand it by clicking here. We have different markets here. If you want to go by margin, BNB, BTC, alternative market. If you want to go by fiat market, shows you all the options that are available, and even by zones, the kind of cryptocurrency that you want. All of them are available here. So this market trade are the trade that have already happened. So once a buyer and a seller have the same price, the market will happen and it will be recorded here. If I click on my trade, you can see I don't have any trade here. So if we come down, you will see that we have spot, we have cross 3x, we have isolated 10x. Spot means you are buying with no margin, with no leverage. You are buying with the amount that you have. So with the amount you have, you can buy based on limit, which I've explained to you that if the price now is 33,452, I want to buy when the price has dropped to like $30,000. You type $30,000. So you want to buy Bitcoin when the price of USDT, which is equivalent to $1, has dropped to $30,000. So how many amount do you want to buy? 1. So it will show you the total. And here you can click on buy BTC. If you don't want to buy everything, complete Bitcoin, you can reduce the value here by saying I want to buy 50%. Then the total for USDT, let's go for 15,000. So here you can buy your BTC here. So which is the amount if you want 0.5%. If you want 0.5 BTC rather. This is for buying, this is for selling. Same thing, just that here you are selling. So we have market order. If you want to buy at the current market price, use market order. Limit price, if you want to buy at a price that's lower than the market price, use limit. We also have stop limit and OCO. So if you want to buy and you want to set your stop and limit point, this is the stop, this is the limit. So I want to buy at the current price, but I want to stop if the price drop below $30,000 so that I won't lose all my money. You can set it here, and I want it to self-execute when the price is $40,000. So that's when you use stop limit. You put like a barrier. So here is the current price. When you get to $40,000, the price would hit, I make profit. But if I'm losing and it hit $30,000, the trade should stop so that my loss will be minimized. So that's what we have here. Also here we have OCO. So everything I've explained to you so far is based on spot. You are buying with no margin. You are buying with the price, the money that you have. If you want to buy with leverage, let's say you want to buy with 3 times leverage. You have $100, but you want to buy more, up to 3 times the money that you have in your account. You can use cross 3x, which means 3 times the money you have in your account, 3 times your margin. So this deals with margin trading. And if you want to buy 10 times of it, 10 times the money in your account, or 10 times the money you want to spend, you use isolated 10x. The difference between this cross and isolated means, for cross, it means all your accounts are linked. If you buy Ethereum, if you buy Bitcoin, you buy other coins, all of them are linked as one. But isolated means they are different from each other, so that if one is liquidated, it will affect your other trade. But if you use cross, it means all of them are linked together. So before one will be liquidated, it has to be sure that there's no other money in your account before it gets liquidated. But if you use isolated, it will work on its own. That trade is on its own. But cross means it combines all your trade. So before one trade gets liquidated or get closed by the system, it has to check that you don't have money anywhere in your account whatsoever. You want to buy something that's 3 times what you have, so which means you have to borrow the remaining 2. So here, when you click on cross rate S, there's still limit, there's market. And here you can go for normal, which means you don't want to borrow. You can borrow the 2S that you need to add to your account. You can borrow here, and once you have made your transaction, you can repay back the money that you've borrowed. Of course, when you borrow, it comes with interest. You can use here to repay it. The same thing happens for isolated. You can borrow up to 10 times your margin, which is the money you have in your account, or the money that you want to use to trade. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, for example, and it's about $30,000, but you only have $3,000, so you can go here and use isolated 10x. It will enable you to buy Bitcoin with just $3,000, because it will say 10 times $3,000, which is $30,000. So it gives you that leverage, it gives you that multiplying factor to buy more than the money that you have in your account. It's good because someone just have $3,000 and can buy something of $30,000. Also, if you lose the money, it can wipe away your account all at once. So it's profitable, and the loss can also be significant. So that's what we have here for isolated 10x. The way you buy is also the way you can sell, and use selling to close your options. So if you bought it, you can always sell it by following the same method. You can transfer from your account. So this transfer is used to transfer your money from your fiat and spot market. If you put in money into this exchange now, it will be residing in your fiat and spot market. So this is fiat and spot, and now you can take it to your isolated margin or your cross margin, and you can choose the trading pair that you want to trade. Is it BTC USD or BTG BUSD, whatever you want to trade? Click on it here or search for it here. You click the coin that you want and click the amount that you want, and just click confirm, and the trade will be executed instantly. Now if we go down, we will see position. This shows your open order. So if I've opened any position, it will show here. This shows your order history. Trade you've done in the past are recorded here based on days, week, month, and years. Your order history, this shows your trade history, the trade that you have done in the past. The order history shows the order you've done in the past. We have funds, the money in your account, and the positions that you have currently. So this position is what's showing here. What is open, the position has opened at this point. I told you that I'm using Trading View because it has more tools that you can use. See the tools of Trading View. These are the tools you can use for Trading View to trade. But if you use Binance original chart, it doesn't really have a lot of tools that you can use for trading. So if you click here, you see all the indicators that are available for the Binance original chart. But if I click on Trading View, I can see all the indicators that are available by clicking this button here. See, technical indicator, click on it. You have access to all the tools that's available here. So you can search for moving average MA. See, moving average MA. I didn't dwell on technical indicators because I will explain them during cryptocurrency trading for beginners. It's a course of its own. It's long. There are a lot of indicators, a lot of tools for trading, and several things you should know when it comes to trading. So I want to limit this aspect to investing, but just show you the homepage of how to buy and sell your cryptocurrency and how to convert from cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. So far, I've shown you how to do your conversion. So this one is more complicated to use. If you want to do your conversion, you can just use the simple one of conversion. This is just for conversion, classic. If you want an advanced form that has all the trading tools for conversion, click on advanced, which I have clicked, and see where I click for those of you that didn't follow. So here, there's convert, I've shown you convert. There's classic, which I've shown you and I explained to you. There's advanced, which is where we are now. Click on advanced, it will show you this page that we are in. So this is for advanced traders. If you want to be a trader and you are very good with trading, this most likely what you will use. It's similar to classic. There's buying and selling, so that it has more tools. You can always expand it to what you want. You can set the default. Click here for setting to what you want. Either back to default, which you've seen. If I click on setting again, I can go to any page I want, either pro page, full screen, or classic. If you click on setting, you can change it to traditional colors or fresh colors. Of course, who doesn't love fresh? So the layout, you can go for order mode or multiple chart. If you want to have multiple chart on one screen, and click on this. 2 chart, 3 chart, 4 chart, 6 chart. I'm clicking on settings here. If you want to change the light mode to light instead of dark mode, see, this is the light mode. The light is so much, so that's why a lot of people use the dark mode. So we're on pro here, and see, we are in. You can always change the setting, and feel free to click on any one to see what they actually do. Quick trading, market chart, order book. You click it and see what happens. You click it back to see the change. But that's simple to understand, and it's mostly used by traders. I will cover it in detail during the trading part of this course. So we have margin. If you want to increase your profit with leverage, I've explained to you how margin works. You have $3,000, but you want to buy something of $30,000, then you use a 10x margin. So this is the order book. You can always cancel it by clicking on that. Even trade, cancel it by clicking on trade. You can always expand this to what you want. So these are the open orders, order history, trade history. I don't have any open order, so nothing is showing here. But you can always have the margin that you want, and I've explained how you can use margin even when you are on the classic page and advanced page. Since we are talking about margin, we have BTC USDT here 10 times, which means up to 10 times the money you have in your account. You can buy up to 10 times. There are different other options with different other margin that you can use here. So now that we are through with trading, we also have stock tokens. If you want to trade stocks with crypto, if you want to trade Bitcoin with Apple stocks, can't you see Apple versus BUSD, Coin versus BUSD, Microsoft versus BUSD. You want to trade stocks and crypto for each other, you can trade them here. So if you already have your cryptocurrencies and you want to trade it for Apple share or Microsoft share or Tesla shares, you can always do it here. Just click on trade and you'll be good to trade it with BUSD. BUSD is $1, is Binance equivalent of Tether. So 1 BUSD is equals to $1. If you want to trade Apple and $1, but Binance dollar is a crypto. This is the chart. Finally, we have P2p Bank Transfers and 100 plus options. If you want to trade peer-to-peer basis, you can click here in order for you to trade with a peer, with your friend or with anybody on the internet. So if you don't want to trade with Binance, you want to trade with other people, you can see you can buy from them and you can also sell to them. So now we are through with trade. Let's go to derivative. Derivative, as the name implies, asset that their price depend on something else. So if you are trading derivative of a share, the price is based on that share. So that derivative on themselves, we have futures. Futures are financial assets that their price are based on the underlying asset. So it can be Bitcoin, it can be Ethereum. They're like contracts that are based on a crypto asset. These are mostly used by traders, not by investors. So I'll just show you the homepage and we'll dwell more on it during our trading for beginners. So the homepage is similar to what you've seen before. It's not so different from the advanced trading option on Binance Trading. So see it, futures. If you want to trade on futures, the same process, buy and sell. I'll dwell more on it. I'll give you like a total guide on it during our trading course, because there are a lot of things here that I need to cover, and are mostly used by traders. I want to limit this aspect to investing. So we have several derivatives that you can trade as a trader. So we'll cover them during trading. Now in finance, we have different ways you can earn on Binance. Click here to see how you can earn on Binance. If you want to be part of the Binance pool for mining or for staking, here. If you want to use Binance Visa card, here. If you want to take some crypto loans, you can get it here. And if you want to swap, become a liquidity provider and earn double. You want to provide liquidity to the market, you can click here to find out more. And finally, we have wallets and other. So for wallets, you can get overview of wallet, fiat and spot that you can use for your wallet. We have margin, we have futures, P2p, N, pool, card, vanilla options, and several options for your wallet. If you want to get a wallet, click on overview to find out how you can get your wallet. But if you buy on Binance, automatically there's already a wallet in the system, so you may not need to download an extra wallet except if you want to. We have order, spot order, margin order, future order, P2p order, N history, buy crypto history. Several orders are here depending on the one you want to trade with. Spot, margin, but most people that will take this course go with spot order that I've already explained to you. For margin is when you want to borrow in order to access higher trade. Is very risky, and also the reward is very high. This is where you put your name, your details, notification that I have. We have the downloads. If I want to scan this and download it on my phone, so I go here, change the language, it's in English if I want to change it. And this is based on USD, it's based on dollars, so I'm trading with dollars. If I want to change it to another currency that I want, I can click on it and change it. So here is the light setting. So whether it's dark or it's light. So here, make it dark, make it light. There are a lot on this page. If you want to take it one by one, it can even confuse a beginner. So I try to keep it at a level that you will get the key point that we're looking for. We want to buy our first cryptocurrency. We're not even interested in trading. So this is just our best shot to buy cryptocurrency. But if you want to convert it, you just go here and convert it. If you want more advanced option, you use all these ones. And also, I almost forgot it, we have NFT here. So if you want to buy or sell NFT, click on NFT and it will bring us to the market of NFT. See here, different options, what is trending. Just click on it if you want to buy it or if you want to sell it. So it's here, place a bid for it, the word of day. If you are interested to bid for this NFT, it's about $414. Which is Binance dollars, which is equivalent to our usual $414. One Binance dollar is equals to $1 US. So here we have other things you should know about when it comes to NFT. If you want to buy NFT, the page is simple, and the best advice is the more you use it, the more you get used to the whole platform and how each of the items work. This is just a rough guide of how to buy your first crypto, and I'm glad I was able to explain something that you find very relevant to start trading. But in the session that involves trading for beginners, I will dwell more on Binance because our trading will be on Binance. But since you're an investor, this is how you can buy your first crypto. Any question you have, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to take you through or share more articles with you. Thank you. Bye.